Hi, I'm Bethany, and that's Drew.
Today we're in Escondido to explore a magical garden with a maze, some snake statues, and an eagle with 5 legs.
It's a place that combines California's mythical tales and legends with larger-than-life artwork to make its visitors feel like they're in a bizarre, wonderful dream.
It's called Queen Califia's Magical Circle, coming up on Oddity Odysseys.
We just ate a really big breakfast, so we're not quite 100% yet.
But hey, maybe Kit Carson Park has a vomitorium.
From Escondido, we'll take the 15 South exit at Vio Rancho Parkway and head east. In a little over a mile, we'll turn left into Kit Carson Park. Then, the trick will be locating the magical circle somewhere in the park.
Let's go this way. Eagle Scout Lake.
There are people playing volleyball, there's picnics.
But there's nothing that says Queen Califia's Magic Circle.
Because that is a secret hidden gem.
Then I guess your guess is as good as mine. We'll park here and we'll walk around a bit.
Kit Carson Park is the home front of Queen Califia's Magical Circle, and this beautiful piece of land spans 285 acres.
But the Magic Circle's only a small part of it, right?
Yeah, small but mighty, and I think the circumference of the wall is very, very tiny. This guy here, our snake friend, is supposed to point us in the right direction.
How would a snake point us? He doesn't have fingers.
He's pointing us with his tongue. He's saying, go this way.
Look at that.
This must be the right trail then.
Follow the tongue.
Strangely enough, our snake friend's tongue pointed us in the exact opposite direction from where we needed to go. So we followed this sidewalk around to the left and came across another parking lot. At the end of this lot, we found a dirt road, and this turned out to be a much better place to start our search for the magic circle.
So we walked around the trail, but we saw color, which I think means we're close. And there's a sign right here. The gate's open, so we looked out on them being open.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. We're in a nice park, and then bing, it's right there.
Yeah.
Oh my. This is a very, very colorful place. Look at those snake heads.
As you can see, the entire thing is surrounded by this stone wall covered in snakes.
What a way to greet guests.
Yeah, I know. Reptiles are always inviting. But if you look closer, you can see it's made out of these stone mosaics and hand-cut glass tiles, ceramic as well.
A lot of detail.
Yeah, definitely.
So Queen Califia hosts 9 large-scale spellbinding statues, which are kind of placed throughout this maze-like structure.
Weird. It's almost like an Alice in Wonderland type thing.
I know, I'm freaking out right now. Reminds me of a mosaic tile house.
Definitely.
With snakes.
With snakes.
No shortage of visual treasures here at Queen Califia's. It's like something out of a dream.
That it is.
Queen Califia's Magical Circle Garden stemmed from the creative mind of famed French artist and sculptor Niki De Saint Phalle.
And this spot is unique because it's Saint Phalle's only installation in America and her last major international sculpture.
Best known for her sculptural female figures, known as nanas, Saint Phalle designed the garden after being inspired by the mythical Queen Califia, who is described as a black Amazon warrior queen who ruled over the land of California.
It's believed that the state of California was named for the mythical island that Califia helmed. Saint Phalle joined forces with the city of Escondido to select the ideal location to bring the magical circle and the legend of Califia to life. We are at the center and namesake of the magic circle, Queen Califia herself way up there.
And she's not alone. She's on the back of a 5-legged eagle, which is on top of a gold egg, which signifies her reign over the ocean. And she's here commanding all 8 other statues in the center of her magical circle.
Let's go have a look.
Have a look.
These almost look like totem poles. Really super bright colors.
They're very tall.
Saint Phalle poured herself into her work at Queen Califia's, which would be one of her last creations. The artist worked up until her death in 2002 at the age of 71. Queen Califia's Magical Circle wasn't officially open to the public until 2003.
Saint Phalle once said, "California has been a rebirth for my soul and an earthquake for my eyes. The sea, desert, mountains, wide open sky, the brilliance of it and the vastness of space. I have embraced another way of life and have let my discovery of this land manifest itself in my work."
If you'd like to explore the Magic Circle for yourself, their hours are 9 to 12 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, as well as the 2nd and 4th Saturday of every month.
And if you're interested in supporting our channel and would like a new mug or t-shirt, feel free to check out our merchandise, which we'll link to below.
It's a nice t-shirt.
Oh yeah, I am wearing one right now.
We'll see you on the next Saturday Odysseys. This gold one has what looks like a mouth that maybe a child could crawl through.
I mean, you could try it, but you might get stuck.
Or maybe a YouTube host could crawl through.
Good luck.
No, I can't do it. But I can look through from the other side. It's pretty great.
You are now one with the sculpture.
I'm one with the sculpture.